Check out this 11-piece bi-metal hole saw set from Bahco. These hole saws are designed for professional daily use, and the set comes with 9 saws in your most common sizes from 16 to 83 millimeters. And those saws themselves contain 8% cobalt for greater strength and durability. And on top of the usual wood and plastic applications, they're suitable for both ferrous and non-ferrous metal cutting as well. Now the set comes with 2 arbors. The standard arbor is for your smaller hole saws, but once you get to 32 millimeters, you want to use the quick release arbor. Once you've aligned the pins, you can tighten that base right up against those pins. That removes any movement between the hole saw and the arbor. And both those arbors require at least a 10mm chuck, so they'll fit in just about any drill. Those smaller hole saws have a hex base on them as well, so you can grab them with a shifter if they do bind to the arbor, which is really nice for separating them. And I know it's not the most important feature, but I think the hole saws themselves look pretty sexy too. They come in a nice sturdy case for storage and transport, and they're available now at all Sydney Tools stores. If you've got any question, make sure you hit me up in that comment section down below. You can also check them out at sydneytools.com.au. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.